Object is subclassed during dynamic type creation but not during classic class definition in Python 2. We know that this creates a class. And, in Python 3, due to new style classes, X automatically inherits from object, but in Python 2, it doesn't. And we also know that we can dynamically create such a class using type factory. However, if we omit the object in the basis tuple just as we did with class syntax, we inherit from object in Python 3 and, unexpectedly, in Python 2 as well. I expected x._bases_ to be empty in Python 2. And it's not such a documented feature. I hardly find something about this on internet. In fact, Python's official documentation contradictory states that the basis tuple itemizes the base classes and becomes the _bases_ attribute. But, as shown above, still leads to type object in Python 2, so it's not really true that it becomes the _bases_ attribute. Can anyone explain this behavior?
Let's look into this Python 2 shell. Types.classType is described as the type of user-defined old-style classes, basically type in the new-style class's default meta-class. If you want meta-programming in the old style, you can use types.classType in the same way. For the reference, excerpt from Python 2's new style and classic classes. Classes and instances come in two flavors, old style, or classic, and new style. Up to Python 2.1 the concept of class was unrelated to the concept of type, and old style classes were the only flavor available. For an old style class, the statement x._class_ provides the class of x, but type x is always. This reflects the fact that all old style instances, independent of their class, are implemented with a single built-in type, called instance.newStyle. Classes were introduced in Python 2.2 to unify the concept of class and type. A new style class is simply a user-defined type, no more, no less. If x is an instance of a new style class, then type x is typically the same as x._class_, although this is not guaranteed. A new style class instance is permitted to override the value returned for x._class_.